Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my crease. And I am going to take my time applying this color because I wanted to make sure the color is intense and very bright, as I really like my shadows to be. So I do have to layer this color a few times just to get the intensity that I want. And it's like an orangey color. So then I'm going to go with this burgundy shade right here, and I'm going to start packing this color into the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just placing that in there, and then I kind of just bring it in a little bit, but I kind of want the color to be like in the outer corner of the eye, but I do bring it a little bit just to kind of give me an idea where I want to do the cut crease. So I am taking my time with this. Doesn't have to be perfect, because then after that I'm going to go ahead and apply a black shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the black shadow into the outer corner just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. And I am going to take my time as well. I do mix the burgundy with the black. I kind of messed up on this part because now the color looks patchy, but it's okay. At the end I go back with the full black and just kind of blend everything out. So if you do mess up, it's okay. You can always fix that. So yeah, I'm just kind of blending everything out, as you guys can see. And it looks patchy because I mixed that burgundy shade. I kind of was trying to grab the black, but I ended up grabbing a little bit of that burgundy, and then whatever. Anyway, so it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and fix that anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my cut crease. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer and start applying the color that I'm gonna apply on my lid. I am going to be using a shimmery burgundy color. This is such a beautiful look. I mean, I felt so pretty. My eyes popped and it felt like fall to me. So I was like, you know what? I need to film this look because it's just so pretty. And when I posted my little boomerang on Instagram, a lot of you guys were asking for a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. And I was like, I got you. I'm going to go ahead and edit that and post it for you guys. So yeah, so you guys can see here I am applying the black shade and then the burgundy as well. I kind of applied a little bit too much burgundy, but it's okay. We'll make it work. Then I'm going to apply the shimmery shade right here. This is a burgundy shimmery shade. I did apply a little bit of setting spray just to make it easier for me to apply it and for it to not be messy, because I didn't want any fallout. So yeah, you want to go ahead and apply this wet and then dry to set it. Then I'm going with an Urban Decay glitter. I needed a little something extra, so I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and add glitter. So that's what I went ahead and did. Apply a little bit of that glitter. I'll list the names of all the products down below and the discount codes that I have if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the items that I do use in this video. In my next, well, not next, maybe in another video, I will be doing my whole full face. I know you guys been asking for that, but I kind of wanted to switch it up and do like just make eye makeup, and then after I will do like full face. I just feel like it's repetitive because I use the same items over and over and over. So yeah, so here I'm just kind of cleaning it out, making sure that it's nice and clean, because I feel like with the glitter it just kind of, you know, changes the look. So then I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. These are some bold face lashes. You can use Prettygrace for some money off. I list everything down below for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the same shadows I use on the top. I'm going to use at the bottom. And I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. So as you guys can see, I am applying that pinkish shade, like a burgundy pinkish shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and smoke it out a little bit. So I just want to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Then I'm using this color right here. It's burgundy, but not too dark. So kind of like I don't even know how to explain that color. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade. I think that's one of my favorite shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This white, purpley hue shadow. I just feel like it looks amazing when it's wet. So I kind of wet my brush a little bit and applied it in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm going with this shade to apply it on my brow bone just to kind of blend everything out. Make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my falsies so I can bond my falsies with my real lashes. And then I'm going to do my bottom lashes as well. I tried not to open my mouth when I was applying my mascara, and I kind of did it, but yeah, I don't know why. Then I'm going to use this Madison gloss from Morphe as well. I'll list the name down below. I kind of wanted to keep it neutral on the lid because I wanted the whole attention onto my eyes. So that's what I did. So when I wanted people to see me, it's just my eyes. And I did. I actually got a lot of attention. People asking me, oh my God, your eyes are so pretty. I really like the makeup. Especially because when you're wearing a mask, all they can see is your eyes. So then I'm just going to go ahead and set it and forget it. I'm going to apply some setting spray from Urban Decay. And then I went back and I applied a little bit of this highlighter. This one is from Becca Cosmetics. It reminds me a lot of that shadow that I said that I like from Jaclyn Hill. So if you wanted to kind of have a highlighter like that, you can use that shadow. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.